Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Sophia. Today I will share about my findings on stress in Muslim gifted students. So, first of all, we all have to know what is gifted students and stress. So, according to Simonton 2021, gifted students are defined as a person who has a high performance in one field or more. The IQ level is specified as an IQ level of 130 or above is giftedness, while IQ level of 140 is the threshold for genius status. As for stress, stress is defined as a non-specific response of the body to any demand. Scientifically, stress is regarded as the perception of threat resulting in anxiety, discomfort, emotional tension, and difficulty in adjustment. As you all know, since the internet is at the tip of our finger, it is easier to detect if we are stressed, yet some of us misunderstood and miscalculate the level of stress. So, my objective are to identify the level of stress among Muslims gifted students and find a common factor of stress. This is because students are experiencing high levels of stress in many areas of their life. According to Center 2010, stress affects students academically, socially, physically, and emotionally. The impact of stress academically is that students are facing various of academic problems in today's highly competitive world, which include exam stress, lack of interest in attending classes, and the inability to understand the topic. Research says that gifted students are complex thinkers. They persuasively arguing about a question, learning that as years pass, school tends to be more difficult. These students discover that they must work harder to achieve good grades. They usually accept a variety of responsibilities or activities that cost their time, although it can be done successfully by anyone. Doing everything well would be physically and mentally stressful. According to single care, stress has also been linked to five big leading causes of death. In this research, we are using quantitative analysis. Around 33 students of 15 years old participate in this research. We are using perceived stress scale questionnaire that was developed in 1983 by Sheldon Cohen. This questionnaire was developed to help measure individual stress level. The result will be calculated with the scale of 0 equal to never, 4 equal to very often. While for the question 4, 5, 7, and 8, the scale will be reversed as 0 equal to 4 and so on. I choose this topic as it can be a reference for the students to use what question assets and what's the possible outcome is. After the questionnaire was distributed, those 33 students responded to the online survey. Then the statistical package for social science is used to analyze the data collected. Figure 1 describes that most of the student is at moderate level of stress, yet there is some who at low and high level of stress. These students who at high level of stress need to aware of the consequences. According to Rana Gulati and Vina, 2019, a continuous stress can lead to a condition called distress that can result in physical problems such as teeth clenching or heavy breathing. Therefore, stress among students need to be emphasized. Figure 2 shows multiple choice of common factor of stress. The inability to understand the topic had been chosen as the major reason of stress. Research conducted by Leslie S. Kaplan state that genius students is a complex thinker and tend to argue both sides of any question. Therefore, students need to understand the factors that can trigger stress in themselves and know how to overcome it. We college combatants and students integrate the Naqli and Aqli by using the Ilqa model in Surah Al-Baqarah, verse 153, which means, O believer, seek comfort in patience and prayer. Allah is truly with those who are patient. This verse told us to seek comfort in any way that will put peace to ourselves. For example, performing the prayer and always being patient is a coping skill to help with stress. In conclusion, Majority of the students is again at a moderate level of stress, the one that on a high level need to be helped by communicating with others to help coping with the stress. The analysis of the data shows that the students here are mostly affected by inability to understand the topic and poor time management. Thus, this is a wake-up call for parents, teachers, and counselors to teach students the stress coping skill for their better future and healthy well-being. While conducting this research, these are the papers we use to help more in understanding things about stress. That's all from me. Thank you.